Come test drive the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, navigation system, power liftgate, backup camera, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.